Hello everyone, welcome back to Strokes and Stories. In today's video, we are diving into the art of color mixing using just 5 basic colors: red, blue, green, yellow, and white. We are going to create beautiful custom shades like pink, orange, purple, skin tones, mint green, and zinc blue. Or, of course, I'll show you how to create different shades of these colors too. So, let's get started. First of all, I am taking color off from the bottles, and now I am leading it off all the bottles. So here I am going to take them off. First of all, I am taking white, then yellow, then blue, then green, and then of course red. Now let's start with purple. This is one of my favorites. Combine blue and red. Start with a base of blue, then slowly add red until you get a rich purple. For a lighter lavender, mix in some white. You can also adjust the shade of by playing with the amount of blue and red. And here I am done with purple color. Now I am going to make some shades of purple. So now to make the shades of purple, what you have to do is just simply add more white, and to take more shades of purple, add some more amount of white, and gradually you can have the lavender and the shades of light purple. So now as you guys can see, the swatches of purple and the shades of it are looking so beautiful and so pretty. And now I'm going to have the sketchbook in which I'm going to show you the swatches which will be more prominent and more beautiful for you to understand and get my point. And now you guys can see that there are the 7 shades of purple. The one is purple, and others are the shades of it. And now I'm writing the formula in which the basic colors are written: red and blue is equal to purple. After writing the formula, I will take it off, and then I'll rinse off my brush to make it clean for the next color, which will be pink probably. For pink, you just have to add two colors, the two basic color, and then you'll have the pink and the shades of pink. Here I am using water to clean it, and now I am just going to make my favorite color and every girl's favorite, yes, pink color. So now we have to add pink, for we have to add red color and some white. Take a small amount of red and mix in white gradually until you get your desired shade of pink. For a lighter pastel pink, add more white. For a deeper vibrant pink, use less white. It's that simple. Now, as I did earlier, I am just showing the swatches of pink which are looking so pretty and so nice, as every girl love pink and it is the Barbie color. So now the shades of pinks are actually too pretty. From starting to the last, these are actually very pretty. Again, I washed my brush to make it clear for the next color, which will be orange. As I said, next up is orange. We'll use red and yellow. Mix equal parts to get a standard orange, and for get a more vibrant orange you have to use more red. To create a darker shade, add some more red. For a lighter, more pastel like orange, add some white into the mix. Again, the sketchbook is on your screen, and I am making the swatches of orange, which are, the first one is a very vibrant, and for the pastel color I am adding some more white. It will be peachy in starting, and then after it looks more pastel in this sketchbook. And now if you are new here, I invite you to start your art journey with me, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, which is Art Diaries, Stocks and Stories. And now we are moving on to the next color, which is skin. Skin is actually most used color in painting, and skin tones are very difficult to make. So here I am going to show you how to make skin colors and skin tones, which are actually very demanding in painting. Skin tones can be tricky but fun. Start with red, yellow, and a touch of blue to create a brown base, then gradually add white to lighten it to your desired skin tone. You can add a bit more yellow for a warmer undertone or more blue for a cooler tone. But first of all, we have to rinse our brush to make it clean for the skin color, as it is the most demanded color, so we don't have to take risk for this. And now I am using a tissue paper to clean it more clearly. While our color palette is settling, let's take a quick break and chat. I'd love to know what's your favorite color to mix. Is it a vibrant purple or a soft mint green? Let me know in the comment section. You know, mixing colors is like magic. It's amazing how a little bit of yellow can completely transform blue into a gorgeous green. And the best part, there are no rules. You can experiment and create your own unique shades. I've got a little challenge for you. Try mixing three colors you've never ever combined before and see what happens next. Post your results or even your happy accident. I'd love to see them. Also, if there's a specific shade you are struggling with, let me know in the comment section and I might cover it in the future video. Alright, let's get back to the fun part, creating more beautiful colors. So now to make my favorite color, which is brown, we just have to add two colors, red and yellow. Now add red into yellow or yellow into red. The more you add yellow, it will be look more browny or more goldish color. So now here I am making the brown color and the shades of brown color by adding more white color in it. So now we'll have to make skin color by adding the same color, the same brown color into yellow color and making skin tones with this same color. Life is looking like black and white in the aura of these colors for me. And now I am going to make how I'm just going
Small
to show you
amount
how to
go a
make skin
long
colors
way,
by using
adjusting
the
warmth
same
and
brown color
coolness.
which we have made
Want
with
a warmer
red
skin
and
tone?
yellow. It is
Add a
reddish
little
brown
more
color
yellow
which
to
is
your
mostly
mix.
seen in
For cooler
bricks.
skin tone,
Now
increase
we'll
the amount
add
of
some
blue.
yellow in the
Adjusting
same
these
brown color to
balances can
have the
help
skin
you
tones.
match
So
different
here you guys
undertones
can
like
see that the
golden or
goldish
olive.
brown or the
Experiment
skin
with
tones
tints
are
and
getting
shades.
ready
Let's
as
go.
the
For
skin
rosy
tones
cheeks
are
or a
looking
sun-kissed
so
look,
nice and
add a
so
small
perfect. Now
dab
I
of
am just
red or maybe
showing
pink.
you
For
how these
shadows,
are
mix in a
looking
bit
like.
of
Here
purple or
are
a
the
teeny bit of
brown colors,
dark brown.
the
Play
brick
around until you
red brick
achieve the
brown color
looks
and
you
the
want.
gold brown
Quick
colors.
recap.
Now let's
Start
dive
with your
into the
base mix
world
of
of
red and
skin
yellow.
tones.
Add
We
blue to
have to make
neutralize
skin
and
colors
adjust with
for
white,
using just the
black or
basic
additional
colors. Let's
colors for
explore
different
how to
shades.
create beautiful
Experiment with
natural skin
small
colors from
amount and
primary
keep
colors like
testing
red,
until
yellow,
you find
blue
your
and
perfect
white.
skin tone.
Now I am
That's
just
it
going
for
to make
today.
skin
I
color by using the same brown colors, and these two brown colors are the basic for my skin tones, as I make skin color by using the two brown colors, the red brick brown color and the gold brown colors. So we just have to add more white in the red brick color, which will make a skin tone, and on the other side I make skin tones by using some yellow color. So these are some tricks you just have to learn in color mixing, and it is actually, color mixing is also an art everyone love, and it's your own way, it's your own unique style, that how you mix your color and how you take your color palette with your hands, with your brush or with your bristles. So it's up totally up to you how you made. Just I'm just showing you how are these colors can be easily made by the five basic colors, and these are actually very pretty brown colors. These skin tones are normally used. Now if you want to make your cheeks, make skin tones for cheeks and make it blushy and pinkish, add some amount of a little bit of pink or red into the same amount. And now I am just going to make the purplish skin tone, in which I am just using the purple swatch of that purple color or that purple or lavender color which I made firstly, and I am adding the purple into the same skin tone, and as you guys can see it is looking very pretty and very nice. This purple color is also using as skin tone, the purplish skin tone you guys can see. And as here I am making the swatches on my arm, and it looks obviously pretty. Now the skin tones are ready, and now I am just showing you the close-up of these skin tones which are ready by using the same colors, red, blue, green, yellow and white. These are actually one of my favorite skin tones. And now I am going to make mint green, in which I am just using the green color along with some white. And if you guys want to make it more vibrant, add add some more blue in it, and you will see the magic of mint green. After that we'll going to move for the zinkish blue, which is one of my favorite. And now I'm going to make an other skin color for more convenience. Here I am adding red color along with some brown color, and now I am going to mix all of these, and maybe I probably add some amount of yellow. Now I am mixing red along with a little bit of blue, and now I am going to mix it with the brown color, yellowish goldish brown color. Here I am mixing it, as you guys can see, and it will be look so pretty in whenever normally people use pinkish skin color, but I use purplish skin color, which will be more beautiful for me. It's my personal experience. Mostly people use pinkish skin color, which is actually normally used for cheeks and for tints. So now I'm going to make the zinkish blue color. Here I am mixing the green along with some blue, so you just have to take the balance in between the ratio of the colors. Here I got the perfect zinkish color. Now as you guys can see the swatch of this, it is one of my favorite color to wear, and it is very lovely. And look at the color, the cooling view of this color, it is so pretty. And the swatches of this color is also very pretty. If you add more blue, then you get a more vibrant color of zinkish blue, which will be more pretty to wear and to color. Yes. And here I am just making the shades of it. I'm not making the tints, so here I am adding some more amount of white to make the shades of this zinkish blue color. So as you guys can see, the sketchbook shade is filled with the colors. And now if you do not subscribe my YouTube channel, do subscribe it up, and don't forget to hit the bell button for more convenience, and like and share it with your friends. And yes, don't forget to comment, and whether it is helpful or not helpful, comment and let me know whether I am doing my best or not. And also, if you want me to make more color mixing videos, then say yes in the comment section. And also, do not forget to make the video of shading and how to make ceramical clay at home, which is very easy and affordable. I've taught you how to make it, and free course is at my YouTube channel, how to earn in dollars as an artist. So yes, here I am helping you and guiding you how to make it easier and how to start your art journey. So start your art journey if you are a beginner